Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study for board exams. First, let's talk about planning. A well-structured study plan is your roadmap to success. Begin by assessing the exam syllabus and your current knowledge. Then, create a realistic schedule, dedicating specific time slots to each subject. Remember to incorporate short breaks to maintain focus and prevent burnout. This foundational step ensures you cover all necessary material efficiently. Next, let's explore effective study techniques. Active recall, like flashcards or self-quizzing, significantly boosts memory. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals. Don't forget the power of practice exams. They help you manage time and identify weak areas. Explaining concepts aloud or to a study partner can also deepen your comprehension. Aim for understanding, not just memorization. While studying hard is crucial, maintaining your well-being is equally important. Prioritize getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. It's vital for memory consolidation. Regular physical activity, even a 20-minute walk, can reduce stress and improve focus. Fuel your body with nutritious meals and stay hydrated. Remember to schedule short, frequent breaks to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Finally, let's discuss strategies for exam day. Arrive at the venue well in advance to avoid last-minute stress and find your seat comfortably. Before you begin, read all instructions thoroughly to understand the format and requirements. Allocate your time strategically across all sections, perhaps spending 1.5 minutes per question. If you finish early, use the remaining time to review your answers carefully for any errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.